Hello everyone and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still mean your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor Odurole Mojibola, and today I'm going to be teaching us how this particular heel was actually braided. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you the simplest way in which you can actually braid it and get this look. I remember I've taught us how to stuff this kind of braid, but today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually weave this particular braid. If you're watching my channel for the first time, all I do is make shoemaking simple and easy for you. And if you found this so interesting, don't forget actually to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. This is actually part of what my weekend class are enjoying. This month I'm trying to show them how to create heels. So if you missed the December class, please don't forget to go ahead and register for the January class. January, yes, I love to keep what I'm going to be teaching because I don't want a lot of people. So as you can see on the screen, make sure you maximize the January class. Sit back and I'll be right. Now, I want to quickly show us how you can actually weave that white pattern. The only thing that I find out as far as that particular white is concerned is that they made use of about 4 different straps. I will not say 4 different straps. They made use of 3 straps. Let me say 3 straps and not 4. It's 3 straps. The only thing is that one of the strap is actually very long. I mean longer than the remaining one. When I mean longer, I meant that one of the strap went all the way from here. Went this way, and then come back this way. Why the remaining two, one was attached to this and the other was attached to this particular one. I know we may not fully understand what I'm trying to say, but let's just go right into it. So basically, like I said earlier, please ensure that you take your measurements. I will suggest you leave more than enough. Please try, you can leave more than enough. Before, as in normally we used to have a 1 inch extra, I would suggest that you leave about 2 or 1.5 inch right under here because you are weaving it and it may reduce in size. So let that one go this way and then come back here. So we're going to be having like 12.5 inch for the one that will be very long. Then the other one we are going to be having a little here, still make use of about 1.5 because of the stitching and because of the weaving. So this other one too, it is about 8.5. So what we are going to be having is one will be 8.5 inch. Is this 8.5? 9.5 rather. This is about 9.5 inch. Am I correct? Please let me check. So this is going to be about 8.5. So, and on this other side, you are going to actually do the same thing. My shoe last is actually size 39. So let's say this is 8.5. Definitely this one cannot be longer. So this can be 8. This side is longer now than this other side. So let's say the length of what you have here is 8.5. This one will be 8 inches. You have 3 different straps on this side. Now let me show you what I mean. Now let's say this is the long strap, this is the long one. If you place it this way, make sure there is extra under. There is extra under. That one will help you to be able to mark where your strap will be coming out from. Just please wait and follow me. So with what I have here, I have 3 different straps. Now one is longer. Don't forget, I have 3 different straps, which is the one that will be coming from this side, from this particular side. So let me weave this one for us to see. Let me weave it. So we move. So from what I have right here, this is already much. I have extra here. This is, let's say this is coming from here. So at this point, let me lose part of this one. This is what will happen at this point. When you get to this particular point, this particular one, okay, I think I need to zoom right here. So when you get to this particular point here, this will go in here. You can see this one that is coming is going in here, I'm going to introduce another one, another strap, which is going to make it complete, as in 3 straps on this other side. Let's say this is good. Of course, it's entering that side as well. Now, this is going to be going under. You can see I place it under it. This one is coming from this side. It entered there. This is going to be here. So I'm going to continue with my weaving right here. So from what I have here, this is going right inside here. See what it looks like at the back. See what it looks like here. So this is going here. This is going here. And this one is going in between right there. I'm sure you can see what I have. This is exactly what that thing is. So basically, that's what I want us to see today. So go ahead and create your own heel and ask me question if you have any in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to join the free weekend class, please let me know and I will guide you on what to do. See you next time. Thank you once again. And those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, please, and press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye.